Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Before watching this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. Today I want to tell about a news of cryptocurrencies.
CBO's operating expenses spiked 312% due to underperformance of acquired crypto from a goodwill impairment from Aris significantly hurt the company's GAAP earnings, but otherwise, business results improved from last year. On Friday, Chicago Board of Exchange (CBOE), the largest options exchange in the United States, announced its second quarter earnings result. Of particular interest was its total operating expenses, which soared 685% year-over-year from $160.6 million. CBOE explained this was primarily due to the $460 million impairment of goodwill recognized in the digital reporting unit, driven by negative events and trends in the broader digital asset environment. The said environment has changed dramatically since we closed the earliest transaction on May 2, which resulted in the accounting adjustment. Aris enables self-directed individual retirement accounts or ARAs for U.S. residents to invest in crypto assets. This was CBOE's first venture into the digital asset sector. The company expects Aris to be a long-term leader in the industry. The terms of the deal were not disclosed in the original acquisition. However, it appears that Aris' fortunes were set due to the cryptocurrency bear market. CBOE says that Aris currently has a book value of $220 million, but during Q2, CBOE took a goodwill impairment charge of $460.1 million linked directly to a risk. Goodwill represents the difference between a firm's acquisition value and the value of its net assets. Companies can be forced to take substantial goodwill write-offs if they overpaid for acquisitions. acquisitions. Nevertheless, the loss of CBOE's digital segment were counterbalanced by core operation on an overall basis. The the derivatives exchange sales grew by 21% year-over-year to $424 million, simultaneously after removing the one-time non-cash goodwill impairment. Its adjusted earnings increased by 21% year-over-year to $1.67 per share. CBO's operating expenses spiked 312% due to underperformance of acquired crypto firms. A goodwill impairment from a risk significantly hurt the company's GAAP earnings, but otherwise business results improved from last year. On Friday, Chicago Board Option Exchange (CBOE), the largest option exchange in the United States, announced its second quarter earnings result. Of particular interest was its total operating expenses, which soared 685% year-over-year from $160.6 million, CBOE explained. This was primarily due to the $460 million impairment of goodwill recognition.
Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. See you guys.